Hi, thanks for joining me today. It is a wonderful day here, and I hope it is wherever you are. Now, let's get to it. We're going to install the EGCM1, a full motion TV mount. And it's great for corners. We've included all the hardware you'll need, so no extra trips to the hardware store. You will need some tools. We're going to run those across the bottom of the screen. Let's start by attaching these lovely little brackets to the back of the TV. This mount is designed to fit almost every TV, up to 80 pounds. And with 50% fewer parts, mounting your TV will take half the time. Now we're going to find our studs. Be sure to refer to the handy little chart in your install manual. It shows you the minimum and maximum distance your TV should be from the corner. Come out, wherever you are. I found you. Before you pick up that drill, make sure you grab your wall plate template. This template ensures that you don't drill any extra or unnecessary holes on your beautiful canvas here. This template, it's the guide to perfect mounting. This is a single stud wall mount, which means we'll only be drilling into one stud. Now, that does make it simpler, but you know, sometimes the simplest of things are the most fun. Now, take a snack break. Maybe later we'll take a look at what else I got in my pocket. Now we're going to attach this wall plate to the wall using these lag bolts. The wall plate is open. Isn't it lovely? But I think I could still use a few friends. Let's attach these extensions. Now we're going to hang the TV. You're going to want a friend to help you out. And remember, size doesn't always equal strength. To help me out, I've asked my fierce cousin Rhonda. This mount is perfect for fitting a 65-inch TV right in the corner. Unlike other corner mounts, this one only has to be mounted on one wall. Know why I especially like full motion TV mounts? Because they possess a richness that no other TV mount possesses. If your TV's not quite where you want it to be, no worries, there's no mistakes here. You can level it after install, like this. And if you want to, you can tilt your TV downward to meet your gaze and eliminate glare. Tuck away those cables with built-in cable management. The next time you find yourself painted into a corner, just put a TV there. Bye, and thank you for watching.